Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. Today I'm gonna show you how to send one-time picture in WhatsApp. So let's see. Go to your WhatsApp first. Choose a friend you want to send picture. You can see here on the bottom right the camera icon. Click on that. Then click on the bottom left the picture icon. This one. Then choose a picture. I'm choosing this one. Now don't send the picture. You can see here at the bottom right corner the one option. Okay, you can see here, right? Just click on that. Now send your picture by clicking on send button. See, your picture is sent but it is locked. You cannot open it, but your receiver can open it once. After open it once, it will be deleted or vanished. Okay, so this is how you can send one-time picture. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and give the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching the video.